Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the basic shells block stitch pattern. For this pattern, you'll need to know just how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, check down in the description below for my link on that video. So to get started, you'll want to do multiples of 4 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'll be chaining a quick 16 plus 1 for a total of 17. Alright, now that we have our 17 chains, we want to chain 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, we want to do 2 double crochets into the same stitch, followed by 2 double crochets into the next stitch, we will chain 2, skip 2, and work 2 double crochets into the next chain stitch. Followed by 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Chaining 2. And skipping 2. And this will be our repeat all the way to the end of the row. So 2 double crochets in the same stitch, followed by 2 more double crochets in the next stitch, chaining 2, skipping 2, and then doing our double crochet repeat. So 2 in one stitch, 2 in the next stitch. And here we are coming up on the end. You want to skip 2 and you only want to work 1 double crochet. And we will always start our work by chaining 3 and ending with 1 double crochet. So you can see how the pattern looks with the blocks. So to get started on row 2, and this will be a repeat for everything, we chain 3 and work 4 double crochets in that chain 2 space. Then we will chain 2, skip everything, and work 4 double crochets in the chain 2 space. And this is what gives the pattern its block look. Chain 2, skip all of those, and work 4 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Chain 2, work 4 double crochets in the chain 2 space. So as we come up on the end, we will do a chain 2 and 1 single crochet at the end of the last stitch. And the reason we're doing this is so we give the work a nice smooth edge. And there you have it. That's how you do the basic shell block stitch. You can see how it comes along and forms those blocks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.